Hello, English Go-Getter. This is the third quiz about personal pronouns. And before we start, let's go over the instructions. You will read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds, and then the answer will appear. So let's get started.
It's showtime.
Question 1. Sydney is my cousin. Blank lives in Turkey. And the correct answer is letter B. She lives in Turkey. Question 2. Kevin and I are in class. Blank sit together. And the correct answer is letter A. We sit together. Question 3. This is Alex. Blank has a dog. And the correct answer is letter C. He has a dog. Question 4. Mary and Tina are here. Blank are waiting. And the correct answer is letter B. They are waiting. Question 5. Sarah is my sister. Blank plays tennis. And the correct answer is letter A. She plays tennis. Question 6. My parents work. Blank are teachers. And the correct answer is letter C. They are teachers. Question 7. David is my friend. Blank plays the guitar. And the correct answer is letter B. He plays the guitar. Question 8. John and I are late. Blank missed the bus. And the correct answer is letter C. We missed the bus. Question 9. Where are Sam and Anna? Blank are in the kitchen. And the correct answer is letter A. They are in the kitchen. Question 10. Jake has a rabbit. Blank is white. And the correct answer is letter B. It is white. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. Keep going. Question 11. This is my baby brother. Blank is so small. And the correct answer is letter C. He is so small. Question 12. Grandma and I love tea. Blank drink it every day. And the correct answer is letter A. We drink it every day. Question 13. My laptop is on the desk. Blank is new. And the correct answer is letter B. It is new. Question 14. Hi, Peter. Blank can sit here next to me. And the correct answer is letter A. You can sit here next to me. Question 15. This is my teacher. Blank is nice. And the correct answer is letter A. She is nice. Question 16. The chair broke because blank is old. And the correct answer is letter B. The chair broke because it is old. Question 17. This is Tim. Blank is tired. And the correct answer is letter B. He is tired. Question 18. I like this pie. Blank is apple pie. And the correct answer is letter C. It is apple pie. Question 19. These are my cats. Blank are sleeping. And the correct answer is letter A. They are sleeping. Question 20. This is Lisa. Blank is funny. And the correct answer is letter A. She is funny. Hey English Go-Getter, you did it! You finished the quiz.
Bravo on that, by the way.
And how did you do? Feel free to leave your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.